doing, guess what? Me, Matthew, and Jamie, we have set up some mini games for us to play. So we're going to be doing TNT Run, we're going to be doing Sleep, and we're going to be doing Matthew's Mysterious Map, and another one of Jamie's Mysterious Map. So shall we start with TNT Run, because it's probably going to be the shortest?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so which door is this?
This way.
Oh, it's this way. Okay, let's go.
Across the prismatic. Okay, so I'm gonna be very funny because you guys all
fall down here.
And okay.
Oh, I need to give everybody spawn yourself some steak. So actually, I'll give Jamie steak.
You just give us both steak.
Oh man.
Don't touch it.
It's going to be sad.
Why? Okay, everybody, come for your steak.
Some mutton.
Come for your mutton.
Mutton. Where's my mutton?
I get mutton by morning.
Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna go into survival. Okay, so last man standing, get up onto the bridge, everybody. Okay, when I say what? Why is that they're broken? Did somebody have a? Oh, okay. Well, somebody sneezed and it blew up. Okay, 3, 2, 1, everybody on.
Ah!
So you have to
no!
Ah!
Oh, I died.
Mobs everywhere!
Back, everybody. Okay, so we each have
So in the dark,
3
there are a
lives.
ton of mobs spawned into your area, and now I'm underneath everything, and I'm drowning, and I'm dying, and it's not good.
Ow, I'm running out of health. Oh no.
I'm drowning.
Ow. Oh my, it is so scary down here.
Was that intended to happen?
No. Oh, well, looks like this is the end of the mini game, so...
I'm still alive! On my second heart! Nope, I'm dead.
So,
Oops.
that
looks...
Whoops.
That was insane!
Ha! Look, so next time I do one of these, I'm gonna put I put so much work into this, it's amazing, and that failed utterly. So everybody back to the spawn. There we go. Okay, so who are we trying next?
We'll try Jamie's.
Oh, we're in creative.
No, I'm not.
I'm in.
Okay, Matthew said I'm back to survival. He's cheating and he doesn't even know it. He has this reputation. Okay, so which one are we going to this time?
This one.
Okay.
Well, do we have shears or shovels?
Everybody go to creative, grab yourself some shears.
So, guys,
I'll pass you your shear, Jamie.
I want a shovel.
No, this is just shear work.
Okay.
Okay, guys,
Here,
we're
take
gonna
your shear. Okay.
Wait, 1 second.
Survival.
No, wait, 1 second. Guys, I'm just throwing my stuff into the river.
Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I'm stuck in spiderweb.
I just fell out of the thing.
Ah! Jamie, you annoying. Hurry!
Cons, webs.
Whoops.
Well, I'm just gonna find a way.
Wow, there's so many levels. Matthew, where are you?
Oh no, he must have fell at the end.
Who's gonna win? Who's going to win the giant spinning wire?
I forgot how you played Sleep.
Yay! I am the winner!
No, because I'm back in.
What? You're back in?
No,
you only have one life.
No, because I glitched into creative.
Oh, okay. Well, I already won, really, for real though, but... Sure, if that's how you want to play, then that's how we'll play.
No.
Jamie tied again.
Jamie can't do it.
Again.
I'm the winner! I'm the wiener again.
Oh, that's it.
Okay, so what do we do after? Is it Jamie's second map?
Yeah, Jamie's second match. Actually, this is how. You gave me a boost. I would have died. Whoever that person is who just went. Oh, Jamie. You saved me, Jamie. Just fall in the hole. Oh! But I still won. Okay.
And I also
Everybody back to spawn.
I fell right when I
spawn.
Okay.
I have like 13 layers
No, I
of
want to do
wool.
mine to last.
Everybody check your wall.
Check your wall.
No, I've got to do mine last because I put so much effort in and...
No, but Jamie's doing his last. I want to do yours, Matthew, please.
Well, let me go... let you guys...
Carpet. I did carpet, so there's a double layer. You have to break carpet and...
I'll be right back. Ooh, BRB.
Okay, so I'm coming to Matthew's thing. I see an entrance. I see a chest.
I have to add some... Don't go into...
Take
Don't dive into those chests yet.
Nothing. Jamie, get your armor and your sword. Okay, we'll just sit here. So how are you doing, Jamie? Let's have a talk.
Terrible.
Let's have a talk. Do we just run in?
No, not yet.
Yes.
Why do you guys keep on doing
I
that?
don't know, but we're getting killed.
I need to go to the weapons expert.
Oh my. Wow, that was terrible. Deadly. Terribly deadly.
Yeah! I don't have any armor on. I forgot to put it on. And I'm in the swarm. I'm in the swarm. Isn't that so fun? I told you.
No, there's too many. There's too many. Just a bit.
I told you you'd enjoy
Guardian.
I told you you'd enjoy the cube.
There's a bit too many mobs though.
I know. It's spawned.
Where's the master? Oh, I can see it.
I must kill the master. We must all work to kill. Kill. Just fight.
Yo, oh yeah, guys. In this one, this is just the ultimate PvP battle. So don't worry what happens because it's just PvP fun. Ow. Isn't that so good? I was planning on asking.
Oh no, everyone's after me.
Let's not protect me, no. Just so you know, that wasn't meant to happen. Weapons Master, no! Weapons Master!
What happened?
Oh, there's way too many zombies.
I put in like 4 stacks of zombies, so.
Oh man, look at that.
Just jump and kill. Don't worry, I didn't take out all the spawners out of his dispenser.
What did you do?
What? Nothing?
You took out all the spawners?
Oh,
Okay,
I just saw a zombie fell right beside me.
Nothing?
Now, you were supposed to take out the spawners. Did you guys take out the spawners?
Yeah, I did
No!
that.
The creeper cube is burning!
Die, you demons! Ah, you can't spawn.
Guys, the creeper cube burned.
No, look at it. It's burning in flames. Destroy. Oh, did we save it before we did this? No, we didn't. Well, this is a sad thing.
Unbreaking swords can go through a lot.
Oh no, look at it.
I won't die. You had to kill me.
Come
You had
at me.
to.
Come at me.
I can never go through the right door. Ah. Ooh, I want to try this thing. It looks like a dropper.
Oh yeah, that was my second thing. It's not as good. I'm gonna burn to death.
Oh, that's impossible.
The spawners? Or the what?
The dropper.
Yeah, okay, you should have seen our other dropper. I think this is cheating, no. Maybe. A little bit. I can't
Here's the
see.
dropper! Ow. If you think this is hard, Jamie, you should have seen our other dropper.
The one that me and Matthew both half made. We pulsed it. I am a survivor. Hey, Jamie. Why can't I kill you? Why are you creative?
Somehow I got into creative. I don't know how.
Well,
So guys, was my creeper cube good?
Okay, now I'm stuck down here. How do I need to kill myself.
Need to survive.
No, I'm stuck.
Mobs
Jamie,
are
can
like
you kill me?
Mobs are like, guys. My
Please
quote
kill me.
from guys,
Kill me.
are you listening?
Yeah.
My quote from a creeper
Thank you.
cube. Mobs are like.
Sorry for ending it abruptly. Don't forget to leave a like if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you loved it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye. See you next time, and have a good day.